Are you tired of the hassle and debilitating side effects from ED drugs and treatments? Introducing Caverstem, a revolutionary regenerative stem cell procedure for men to treat erectile dysfunction. A clinically tested, patented procedure using your own stem cells to treat erectile dysfunction. If you are suffering with ED, and chances are, if you're a man over the age of 40, you are. You know how devastating ED can be, not only to you, but to your relationship. Some argue that it is psychological, and yet ED is absolutely proven to primarily be a physical condition caused by lifestyle, age, heart disease, and diabetes, among others. Chances are you've heard all the news regarding breakthroughs in stem cell research and procedures that are revitalizing healthy lives all over the world. Now it's time to bring this natural procedure to men suffering with ED. Here's how it works. You simply visit your local physician where a brief in-office procedure is performed with a local anesthetic where bone marrow is drawn. Stem cells are then harvested from your own bone marrow. These stem cells that your body naturally produces to repair damage are then injected into your penis to begin the repair of damaged tissue and blood vessels, producing powerful and durable erections that otherwise would not be possible. All in a 30-minute in-office procedure. No more waiting. It's here. A natural solution that is not only safe, but effective. With no side effects and zero downtime. Performed discreetly in the comfort of your local physician's office. Introducing Caverstem, for men who want to live life to the fullest.